So we're going to our family friend's house for his birthday, and I wanted to bring like a little snack. So I'm making something that I've never made before. I wanted to make like a little charcuterie board, so I got these Stornoway wafer biscuits, some brie cheese, and then I have figs and Manuka honey.